Honestly, I'm so cute. I could look at myself forever. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Zaynah. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new, welcome to the wonderful world of me. Today's video is back to my makeup journey series, and I'll be attempting to learn how to put my eyelashes on with ease, and then we'll be bringing together the last 3 eye looks, so eyebrows, eyeshadow and eyelashes, to come up with a cute little eye look. And before we get started, make sure to check out my previous videos. I'll be one floating along in the banner. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, turn the notification bell on, and let's get started. So today's video is called How to Apply False Eyelashes for Beginners, and it's by Just Brittany H. So I've got all the things I need, I hope. Got lashes from Primark. I'm clearly a massive fan of Primark. Some cheap mascara, tweezer, eyelash glue. I've got some from Avila, from like an old pack of eyelashes I had, and then I just bought some from Superdrug, some eyelash glue. Down, shoulders are here. Either I have really high shoulders or she has no shoulders at all. I could get this proper close. Shoulder level, looking down. How does she close her eye and not? Her eyes are open! Okay. How can your eyes be open and looking down? Oh, okay. Oh. Did I just do it? Listen, I don't think I've ever put lashes on this quick. Oh, let me not speak before it's actually down. What? Oh, she does more. She uses, she's doing more to make sure my lash, these are to make sure my lashes and Girl. Okay, next lash. Oh my gosh. All this time, listen, it usually takes me like hours, yeah, to put lashes on. And I'll do one eyelash and then can't do the other one. No. Okay. Oh no, this is everything on my left. Oh, down. I'm holding my breath. What? I'm trying to see if they're not trying to go nowhere. Those are on. This, I feel like I should just end this tutorial here. I feel like I should just end this video here on a high. Right. I'm feeling good. On to the next part, bringing all 3 of my little lessons together. Okay, so I'm gonna use, I'm gonna do the eyebrows with the pencil because I prefer the pencil to the pomade. I'm a little deep but short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. I'm yet to perfect the art of getting these eyebrows to look the same. But it's fine because eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Less concealer than we did last time. Because apparently last time I used way too much. They hating. Whew, I'm hungry. Hungry work. Yeah. Okay, that is the brows did and done. So I feel like I've got more than enough concealer on my eyelids. However, better to be safe than sorry. So we're just going to conceal with a different concealer because I bought it, so I'm going to use it. Got me some powder thing. Slightly darker, so this is another shimmer. We're going with a shimmer look today. And then I want to end it on like a darkish kind of colour. fit. Oh wait, eyelashes. Lashes. This is make or break. The final countdown. New, 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 new. Don't do this to me. Oh. I will not have. Oh, I've got eyelash glue everywhere. 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 How do I not have it everywhere? I don't know what to do. Just go over it. I'll just go over it with a bit of... Nothing to see here. Not as smooth as the first time, but smoother than most. Right, we will not have the same misfortune we had on the last time. And just got that. Anyway, this is the final look. I think it looks quite cute. I'm quite impressed with myself, as you can probably tell. As always, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you like this look, give this video a thumbs up. So next week's video in my makeup journey series will be highlighting and contouring my face. Trying to get my cheekbones snatched. So that'll be fun. Check out last week's video on my vlog over here, and if you're enjoying my makeup journey series, click here for more videos on that, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, the notification bell down below, and I will see you in next week's video. Peace. Mwah.